Yeah, who the youngest nigga putting on for the city? That's me. That's who? That's me. And damn, it feels good to be free. Let it breathe. Ah, we got the whole city going crazy. Woo. We got the whole city going, yeah. Who you gonna be when the sky turns black? When you start to make stacks and the world gets calm? I've been some shit like this for the last 20 years. I'm prepared, yeah, the future near the air. Time right now is just bad as the essence. Gonna part 2, it's a hell of a blessing. Tell them stop sleeping. No way. Tell them stop sleeping. Yeah, adversity is what made me king. Away with words is gon' make that meal. Last remains of what's truly real. Pure progression and lasting will. Now you see where I came from. Guarantee we finna make it. Yeah, I showed them what the real is. I don't think they paid attention. No. Go it up, go it up, go it up. Go it up, go it up, go it up. Way too damn focused, I'm feeling important with flows you ain't never gonna notice. Who the hell came out the kitchen with all the traditions? I feel like I'm flipping the words I be kicking. My shit be prolific, I feel so terrific. You niggas ain't fucking with me. This is the life that we chose. Gonna miss Rick going global. Yeah, created all of my own moves. Yeah, I know I'm getting dividends. Pen and pinching, I was feeling prolific. And now I'm trying to pave a way you ain't get this shit. Yeah, finally made my atonement. I could care less if you give a fuck about your traditions. Now I'm calculating, making the difference of everything. Goddamn, I'll be kicking.
Octobre, là.
Who the youngest nigga putting on for the city? That's me. That's who? That's me. And damn, it feels good to be free. Let it breathe. Ah, we got the whole city going crazy. Woo. We got the whole city going, yeah.